What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Man, what can I say, guys? Sorry for not posting. I've been working and well, ain't got no time, but here we are. Now this video I post, we're working on the black truck again. It is broken again. This time I think it's the starter. It just clicks and, well, it doesn't work, so it's all right because we got our new one from Advanced Auto. So it's like 25-30 degrees out here, but that's all right. So I'm gonna show you in real time how easy it is to change a starter on one of these things. All you're gonna need is like a 13 mil, and I think that's it. I don't think you have to take off the little one because there's a wire. I'm gonna show you that. But first, take off your battery like I did already. As you can see, it's already jacked up, and I have a jack stand under it. So we're gonna go down there and we're gonna pull this thing, guys. So yeah, I'll tell y'all the time. That way y'all can see how easy it is. It's 10:47. And shouldn't take too long, but we all know how that goes. So let's get started, guys. All right, guys, so there's a starter right there, and one of the bolts is gonna be right there, and another one right there, if it focuses, right there. And obviously your 12 volt right there, and then that little wire that you're gonna have to take off. But you know, that's a little connector right there. So yeah, that's all it takes, guys. Let me go ahead and pull that off. Now put you down here. Hopefully it's not too on the way, but we're gonna try our best. So I did have to go get an extension. That way my hands aren't hitting on the, well, not my hands, the ratchet's not hitting on the lines. And also I can kind of help it a little bit right here. Okay, so that's loose. Now the top one. Now that those are loose, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen up the wire, which is another 13 mil. But, yep, there it is. Now let me get the new one, guys. So we ran into a little issue. Okay, so as you can see, this one has the cable right here with the little connector, and this one doesn't. So what I'm thinking of now is, this doesn't have warranty. I got it at Advanced, and it was their closeout sale, and well, nothing came with warranty. I paid 16 bucks for it. So I think right now what I'm gonna do is take this wire off and put it on the new one, and then if I ever have a chance, I'll just put it back on, because I mean it's a new one. So but for now we're gonna go with this one. That should be like a 10 mil on both, and the wire should come off. So again, man, yeah, just get a 10 mil now. Right. Here we go, got our 10 mil. And again, the reason I think the starter gave out, well, as you can see, it's all oil soaked, and I don't think that's good for it, which maybe that's what's gonna happen to this one next. But I'll probably have to get the oil pan gasket replaced on it, which I don't know when that'll be, but hopefully sometime soon before I mess up this starter. But yeah, it's really cold right now. I'm not gonna do that. And there we go. Now I'm gonna put you guys back in so we can finish this install. Hopefully everyone got you. Y'all are gonna go right here. I think that's over. Alright, so here is our new starter. Alright, that bolt's in there. Now we gotta put the bottom one on there. Now, I really don't know the torque specs on this, so I'm just gonna tighten it until it's pretty snug, and hopefully I don't cross-thread anything. Well, not cross-thread, but strip out the threads. Alrighty, that is that. And then now we can connect this wire back in here like so. Should probably replace those too in the future, but there we go. Now I'm gonna try to show you more. There we go. All that, the wires got it 12 volt up there, and it should be ready to go. So now let's see if it works. Put our battery back on. I think the keys are in it. Nope. Right here. Alright, moment of truth. There we go. God dang it. Alright. That whole thing took us, well, it's 11:08, so it was 11:47, about 20, call it 25 minutes. And she's ready to go. Just got to pick up all her stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now, guys. So I'm gonna put you down, and I'll do the outro in a little bit. Alright guys, and there we have it. Now, before anybody says, did you replace the solenoid? I did, actually. From a parts truck I have. It's actually brand new. And man, it didn't start this morning before I started the video, and I swapped the solenoid back to the old one, which it was working, I guess. before. I thought it was a solenoid. And well, I swapped them back and forth, see what it would do. And on the tightening part, I actually broke it, so it's no good anymore. I'm pretty sure it'll work for a spare, but well, I don't know if I'm gonna use it. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this one. Hopefully it's a quick little one, because usually they're about 20 minutes long. But yeah, getting the Ford ready. I'm actually gonna head down to Greenville, and I'm gonna try to get the Chevy ready to drive, because I mean, it's got plates and everything now. So we'll see. I mean, I was gonna leave this one and bring the other one because it wasn't working, but now that it is, I don't know. And also it's got a mysterious coolant leak that I can't find, because it'll leak when it's cold, and then after I drive it, it stops. So I don't know what's going on, but yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Stay tuned for more. Remember, like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.